Yes, guys, look, setting up, ready. So probably the next 2-3 videos, I'll be fully ready with the professional setup. Guys, before then, I still want to jump on, talk to my community. It's a small community, we're going to build fast. Why we're going to build fast is because real recognizes real, and your vibe attracts your tribe. Guys, I'm so inspired to create these videos and to give value to you guys and be here for you in this bear market, because all I see from these so-called YouTubers are trying to just shill you Bybit links and projects. Anyway, spoke about that on the last video. If you want to check that out, feel free to check that out. But today, guys, just want to talk about this amazing opportunity that we got. And guys, I've been in crypto for 10 years. 2013, I bought my first Bitcoin. So that's 9 years. Yes, on and off. I remember it was actually my wife was telling me today, a couple of days ago. She's like, don't you remember you used to have people around the house and you used to like preach to them about Bitcoin, which is at 2013. I was like, wow, yeah. And the long story short, I invested in Bitcoin. I traveled the world. I kind of used Bitcoin for traveling, and then I jumped to other stuff, drop shipping and building companies and brands, etc. And then I came back in 2017. But honestly, guys, I've never been so motivated to start this channel, because I could believe I can give so much value to you guys. And I'm so passionate. The passion's back. The passion went because I don't want to preach to people to start buying Bitcoin at 60,000. And even before, when Michael Saylor was buying Bitcoin, and it was all, I don't care how much of a Bitcoin maximalist you was. Everybody had the doubt. Everybody had the doubt about US government shutting it down. And I know it's hard, it's basically impossible to shut it down, but you can make it hard, right? Like, I don't care what you say, what anybody says, all these maximalists say. End of the day, guys, if all the governments, all the countries in the world wanted to stop Bitcoin, they couldn't stop it, but they would definitely suppress it. I think we all agree with that. They would suppress it. Could say it's borderline suppressed now, but they could have took this down, just floating around the 1,000 range, the hundreds range. They could. Let's be real. But so much companies have adopted it. So much governments have adopted it. The writing is on the wall. The writing is on the wall with Bitcoin. It's just a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. And because we're in this bear market and altcoins have got hammered, there's so much opportunity in the market, guys. So, a bit of advice for you guys. For one, how I got wrecked many times when I first started to invest in altcoins. Remember, I was quite heavy in Bitcoin for many years, and I think it was only about 2017 I started dabbling in altcoins. Big lesson that I've learned. Take the opinions of YouTubers. Use YouTubers as giving you the news, because I think we're all on the same page saying that. We're all more of a visual, audio kind of information than reading articles. Sorry, not all, majority, right? So it is good to get the latest news, to listen. It's a bit of entertainment and knowledge at the same time, right? So the YouTubers are good. I watch so many YouTubers. Most of my day starts is full of watching YouTubers. But take it as news, guys. Don't take it as financial advice. And I know YouTubers say it's not financial advice. They're only saying that to cover their backs. They don't actually mean it. They want you to trust and believe in them. But guys, don't. I've got wrecked by all the big crypto guys. I still watch them because they give me news. It's not their fault I got wrecked. It's my fault for being a newbie at the time and listening to what coins that they say that are great and me aping them without doing my own research. And if I did my own research, I would have found out that, for one, they got in there the pre-sale, so they were already up 100x. For two, there's X amount of token locks ready to release. So token locks are releasing, so I'm just flooded basically in tokens, and I'm just getting dumped on. Or it's a paid video, and they ain't got a clue about the cryptocurrency. They just want the money. So there's so many things you have to really take into consideration when YouTubers are telling you about projects. So please, it's the biggest lesson I can teach anyone getting into crypto, or even people getting into this side of crypto, because I was in this side of crypto for many years, and then I kind of went to this side. Okay, I'll explain this side and that side. This side is like to top 100 coins. For a bit, I was in the shit coins zone. I was in meme coin zone hard. And I'll be totally honest and totally transparent. I made a lot of money from shit coins. And even though I honestly want this channel to be very, how can I put it? Very, I don't want to talk about trash coins, to be honest with you. I want to keep it. But if meme coin season comes again, I will be talking about if I can make money, make my community money by talking about projects that I understand the kind of narrative and the macro level of how this project works. I will talk about it because I made 7 figures from meme coins, shit coins. I made my whole brand from shit coins. My brand was Online Boss. Now I kind of spun off to Crypto Boss. And I was at the forefront of the meme coin frenzy, right? But as I said, I do want to keep this channel not to meme coins, but if there's a way to make us money, I'd make us money. But anyway, I digress. Just be careful what these YouTubers are actually saying, all right? Do your own research. Pick your coins wisely and think of more of a long-term approach with investing. Most of my big wins, apart from Elon Gates, I put $7,000 in, went up to over $1 million in 2 weeks. Exception for meme coins, all right? Exception for meme coins. Meme coins, I did a lot of crazy stuff like that. Most of my gains have been like 6 months, 8 months. And I don't even think like that. Even think of it a year, 2 years. Let's actually probably not. Let's think of it 6 months to 8 months to a year. Let's invest. That's how you should want to invest. Like with, for instance, now Illuvium. I bought Illuvium at like $30. 3-4 months later, it went up to like $1,000. So do the maths on the X's on that. It happened to me many other times with many other coins. I just kind of found the trend. So this is the second lesson to learn. Kind of find the trends, get in before the crowd, and be patient. Second lesson. Third lesson, guys, and I will tell you something so honest and so raw that no YouTuber will tell you, right? And this is what I'm about, just being totally honest. The gains are made in pre-sales, okay? So I advise you, while you're in the bear market, to start building value for these companies, to get in them early, okay? Prime example, I got in Cryo Wars. It didn't even make it to a big gaming coin yet. It's fallen off the charts at the moment now. But I 150x of Cryo Wars. 150x. Because I got in the pre-sale, I got in early because I gave value. So because of my, going back to the meme coins, I kind of blew up talking about meme coins. I had value for them. I had a community to promote their project to my community because I believed in them. So that's another thing. Third lesson, this is the most important lesson, guys, especially while you're in the bear market now. Create value. Build social medias, blogs, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube channel. They say to teach somebody something, you only have to be one chapter ahead. So even if you're new to crypto, you spend 6 months studying crypto, your vibe will attract your tribe. Your tribe can be people coming into crypto that's new. And you can teach them all what you've learned in 6 months. You have value. We all can create value. So back to what I said about, I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. And just remember this. This is for crypto, for YouTubers, for everyone you listen to. Everybody has an agenda. I repeat, because this is very important. Everybody has an agenda. What's my agenda doing these YouTubes? Totally honest with you. I generally want to be accountable to study daily. I do it anyway, but I've actually got a marketing agency, so I need to keep up with all the latest trends and the who of crypto, of new projects. And it's better to regurgitate information. You learn it, you learn twice. You learn once, you teach, you learn twice. So my agenda is I genuinely just want to keep my learning, I want to absorb the information more. I want to learn more. I want to make myself accountable. And I'll be totally honest with you guys, equally, and no YouTuber's going to say this to you, equally, I want to give value to projects. I won't do sponsored projects on here, no sponsorship, unless it's a coin that I totally believe in. I'm on about like a Cry Wars, a project that I know people can make money out of. Elon Gates, I got it so early, I knew people could make money out of it. I know what my community can make money out of, put it that way. Even though, listen to me, when I say my agenda is I can also have value, even though I've got a marketing agency that has so much value, me having a personal brand is more value. So that's equally, and no, be honest with you, I'm saying equally to me, to doing it for me to learn is more value for projects. But I'm telling you guys, I'm keeping this channel so clean. I want to be like them other YouTubers that are just pumping Bybit links for leverage trading and making coins to dump on you. I'm not about that. I just want to have more value for legit projects. Like I'm on about legit projects. And even if I get in them legit projects early, I can pick some of my communities to get in early allocations, so I can make people a lot of money. All right, so that's my agenda. But that, my friends, are 3 things to learn from a crypto millionaire, from someone that's been there and done that. So guys, if you enjoyed the alpha I give you today, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, like it, and leave a comment, guys. I'm online, I'm Crypto Boss. So on the boss, more of a name. I'm Crypto Boss. You're Crypto Boss. We're all crypto bosses. And it could take us a few months to get out of this bear market, but we're gonna learn and we're gonna study together. And when it comes to that bull market, not financial advice, but we're getting rich. Peace out.